शिक्षा क्रांति स्वच्छता गृह के संस्थापक श्री सत्यन सर, ITI वोटेक्स के हमारे डायरेक्टर शशि भास्कर सर, मेरे साथ आए हुए मेरे कुलीग वैशाली शर्मा जी जो कि क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट है, उपस्थित यहाँ पर सभी वोटेक्स ITI के हमारे जितने भी टीचर्स हैं और उपस्थित ITI के सभी हमारे स्टूडेंट्स और उपस्थित सभी अन्य गण्यमान्य व्यक्ति, उन सभी का मैं आज स्वच्छता परिवार एवं स्वास्थ्य परिवार कल्याण विभाग सोलन की तरफ से बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ। जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि आज हम राष्ट्रीय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण दिवस को मनाने के लिए आप सभी के समक्ष उपस्थित हुए हैं। तो हमारे को इसको मनाने का हमारा मुख्य उद्देश्य यही रहता है कि लोगों को पर्यावरण के संरक्षण एवं सतत विकास के महत्व के बारे में लोगों को जागरूक करना होता है। तो यहाँ पर आज हम 3 कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। एक तो हमारा डेक्लेमेशन कॉन्टेस्ट होगा और जो सेकंड है हमारा स्लोगन राइटिंग कंपटीशन है और तीसरा जो है पोस्टर मेकिंग कंपटीशन है। तो ये तीनों जो कंपटीशन है वो आयोजित किए जाएंगे। उसके पश्चात प्राइजेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए जाएंगे और हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के आज जो वक्ता होंगे, जो हमारे मुख्य अतिथि है सत्यन सर, वो हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के आज मुख्य वक्ता है।
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट है। आज हम सभी आपके समक्ष हम स्वच्छता के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं इस विषय पर विचार विमर्श करेंगे। तो अब आपके समक्ष कुलदीप दसाइक स्वच्छता के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं इस विषय पर अपने विचार प्रकट करेंगे।
गंदगी को दूर भगाओ, गंदगी को दूर भगाओ, भारत को स्वच्छ बनाओ, भारत को स्वच्छ बनाओ। विकसित हो राष्ट्र हमारा, विकसित हो राष्ट्र हमारा, स्वच्छ हो देश हमारा, स्वच्छ हो देश हमारा। सुप्रभात। यहाँ पर उपस्थित अतिथिगण, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय और अध्यापकगण, मेरे प्यारे साथियों, स्वच्छता के महत्व को समझते हुए मैं अपने जीवन में कई तरीके से स्वच्छता के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारियां निभा रहा हूं। व्यक्तिगत स्वच्छता, स्वच्छता की शुरुआत सबसे पहले व्यक्ति से होती है। मैं अपने व्यक्तिगत स्वच्छता की जिम्मेदारी पूरी तरह से समझता हूं और इसे प्राथमिकता देता हूं।
Respected Satyan sir, principal sir, other teachers and students present here. Good morning to all of you. My name is Divyani and I am a volunteer of Shiksha Kranti NGO. Today I am here to present my views on the topic Swachhta, cleanliness and what I am doing for Swachhta individually. We all know the importance of Swachhta. It is essential for our life, our health, our well-being and our environment. But despite its importance, Swachhta is often neglected in our society. We can see it in the street, in markets and in our public spaces. People are not aware about the importance of Swachhta. Swachhta is not just about our physical environment and our physical health, but it is also about our mental health and our hearts. It is about how we think, how we talk, and how we behave with others. When we keep our surroundings clean, we feel more positive, more energetic, and more confident. Now I am come on the topic what I am doing for Swachhta individually. And individually, I believe that Swachhta is not just a social responsibility, but a personal habit that we must cultivate. We often complain about dirt and garbage around us, but question yourself, how many of us take concerted action to change this problem or solve this problem? From past sometimes I started Swachhta. First of all, I started by keeping my surroundings clean. I started water conserving because it's also a very important part of Swachhta. And I also started do plantation. Plantation is also very important part of Swachhta. I believe that if we can inspire only one person for Swachhta or cleanliness, it have a ripple effect or our first step towards a cleaner, greater and healthier India. And I also believe that we should support NGOs and communities which are connected to Swachhta. Like I also joined Shiksha Kranti NGO. Shiksha Kranti NGO working from 15 then more years for Swachhata. Satyan sir tell us about the importance of Swachhata and its impacts on the environment. His efforts for Swachhata motivates us. He organized campaign for Swachhata and he also organized Samad to connect people related to Swachhata. At last, I want to stop my speech with the effective words by Mahatma Gandhi. He said that, be the change you wish to see in the world. Let us all strive to be that change and work together towards a greener, healthier India. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to say good morning to all of you. Myself, Ankit Chauhan. आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष स्वच्छता के प्रति जागरूकता पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं। आप सभी ने कहावत तो सुनी ही होगी कि स्वच्छता ईश्वरत्व के बाद आती है, अर्थात स्वच्छ स्थानों पर ही ईश्वर निवास करते हैं। एक अच्छे स्वास्थ्य और गुणवत्तापूर्ण जीवन शैली को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वच्छता बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। स्वच्छता को सफल लोगों की आदत भी मानी जाती है, इसलिए हमें स्वच्छता को ध्यान अपने जीवन के मूल उद्देश्यों में जोड़ना चाहिए। स्वच्छता को बनाए रखने के लिए हमें अपने आसपास और खुद को गंदगी और कीटाणुओं से मुक्त रखना चाहिए। इससे हमारा शरीर बीमारियों से बचा रहता है। स्वच्छता के बारे में महात्मा गांधी जी ने भी कहा था कि स्वच्छता राजनीतिक स्वतंत्रता से अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है। स्वच्छता का रखें हम सभी ध्यान, सुंदर बनाए हर गली और हर जहान, सुंदर बनाए हर गली और हर जहान। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good morning to all. My name is Tamanna and today I want to talk about what I am doing for Swachhata as an individual level. Cleanliness is a very essential for our health, well-being and for our environment. It's a topic that affects us all regardless of our age, background and social economic status. As an individual, I believe it is my responsibility to contribute to Swachhata. I start by practicing what I preach at home. I encourage my family members and especially my sister to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. I believe that if we can't keep our home clean, how can we expect our community and country to be clean? Swachhata is not just about cleaning our surrounding, but also about our mindset and behavior. It is about being mindful of our actions and how they impact the environment. It is about taking responsibility of our own wastes and being accountable for our own actions. We often hear people say that Swachhata is government's responsibility, but I believe that it is a collective responsibility. We all are responsible for it. As individuals, we all can make a difference by adopting simple habits and practices that promote cleanliness and hygiene. So what can we do as individuals? We can start by making small changes in our daily lives, such as using public transport, carpooling or driving. We can reduce our use of plastic bags, straws and garbage and water bottles. We can compost our food waste and recycle our paper, plastic and drives. We can also participate in local cleanliness drives and initiatives. We can also join NGOs like Shiksha Kranti and work together to promote Swachhata in our community. On daily basis, I make sure to do my part in cleanliness. I wake up early morning and make bed, keeping my room tidy and organized. I also ensure that I dispose waste properly, separately recyclable material from non-recyclable ones. I wash my hands regularly and I don't throw garbage here and there. Also, I encourage others to do the same. I am proud to be a part of Shiksha Kranti NGO, which aims to make Swachhata national value. We believe that cleanliness is not just a responsibility, but a way of life. Shiksha Kranti NGO has been working tirelessly for the past 15 years to promote cleanliness and plant trees. Under the guidance of Satyan sir, I have learned the value of Swachhata, who not only leads this NGO, but also teaches us importance of communication skill and cleanliness. In the end, I want to say that it's a choice we make every day in every action we take. Let's make that choice, let's make that commitment, and let's work together to create a cleaner, greener, and healthier India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Swachh Bharat, Sashakt Bharat.
Today, I Tirana, I stand before you to share my thoughts and actions toward a topic which is the part of my life. The name is Swachhta and cleanliness. Cleanliness is not just about keeping our surroundings neat and tidy. It is a way of life that impacts our health, our environment, and our communities. In today's world, where pollution and waste are growing concerns, it is more important than ever that we all take responsibility for maintaining a clean and sustainable environment. And that responsibility begins with us. So, what am I doing for Swachhta? Practicing personal hygiene and cleanliness. It all starts with personal habits. I make sure to keep myself clean, wash my hands regularly, and ensure that my immediate surroundings, whether it's my home or my school desk, always neat. Good hygiene is the first step to preventing the spread of diseases and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Waste segregation. At home, I practice the segregation of waste into dry and wet categories. This simple act helps in the proper disposal and recycling of materials. I try to reduce plastic use as much as possible by opting for reusable items like cloth bags and glass bottles. By reducing waste, I not only contribute to cleanliness but also help reduce the environmental impact of landfills. I understand that sustainability and cleanliness go hand in hand, and our individual efforts add up to create a bigger change. In conclusion, Swachhta is not just about cleaning our surroundings. It is about cultivating a mindset of responsibility, respect for nature, and a commitment to the well-being of others. Every little action counts. From picking up a piece of litter to educating others on the importance of cleanliness, we can all contribute to a cleaner and healthier world. Let us not wait for someone else to take actions. Let us be the change we want to see in our communities and our world. Together, we can make Swachhta not just a campaign, but a way of life for future generations. Thank you.
A very warm morning to respected judges present over here. I'm Srishti Chauhan, the volunteer of Shiksha Kranti, is standing before you to speak on the topic, what I'm doing for Swachhta at individual level. Believe me, to be honest, when I was not the part of Shiksha Kranti, I had no idea what Swachhta is. I used to ponder over the question, does it hold any importance in one's life? But when I joined the institute called Shiksha Kranti, I learned the real and core meaning of Swachhta out there. Under the guidance of Mr. Satyan, I learned how one individual can promote Swachhta at the ground level of his or her. Well. Let's come to the main point. What is Swachhta according to me? According to me, Swachhta, it starts from the ground level of the individual. It starts from our own home, eventually from our own body, and to the greatest extent, from the personal hygiene. So here are some points, some methods that I follow in order to promote cleanliness at my individual level. First, maintaining my personal hygiene. I maintain my personal hygiene, my body well fit and fine. Because I believe that healthy body, it keeps the healthy mind and healthy body, it eventually contributes to the cleanliness. Second, by awareing the youth. As being an educated youth of India, I'm trying to inculcate the habit of cleanliness among the minds of young generation. Third, by making my surroundings clean. I'm trying my best not to throw litter here and there, or I try to throw it in the dustbin. And I'm trying to encourage a lot of people around me to do the same practice as I do. Last but not the least, composting. You would not believe me, this is one of the easiest way through which you can promote cleanliness at the individual level. It just requires a small thing. I personally follow this method. I use the leftover peels of fruits and vegetable and throw it in the pits, and it creates the manure. And that manure, it is used for doing multiple tasks. For example, kitchen gardening, manuring the plants, and it contains a lot of micro and macronutrients that helps to trigger the life and survival of the plant. Overall, or in conclusion, I would like to say that there are so many ways, infinite ways through which the youth of today India can contribute to the cleanliness at the individual level. It just requires a small step, because the collection of this small step, it leads to the big development. At last, I want you all to keep in mind that cleanliness is a virtue and a value, and it should be practiced by all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अब मैं मुख्य अतिथि सत्यांश सर से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वो मंच पर आए और अपने विचार प्रकट करें।
आज मैं ऐसे संस्थान में हूं जो कि सचमुच हमारे समय को परिभाषित करते हैं, यानी टेक्नोलॉजी, एआई। और आप देख सकते हैं कि यह समय कल पुर्जों का है। कलयुग है तो कल पुर्जों का युग है। कलयुग या तो कल पुर्जों का है, यानी टेक्नोलॉजी का है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का है, या फिर कला का है। अगर हमें स्वच्छता के लिए जागरूकता लानी है तो प्यारे साथियों, मुझे लगता है कि कला सबसे अच्छा क्षेत्र है। अर्थात कला हमें अपने से जोड़ती है, संवेदनशील बनाती है। इसीलिए संवाद कला आप ज़रूर सीखें। और एआई और डेवलपमेंट की बात करूं, आपको पता है कि आज पर्यावरण प्रदूषण क्यों हो रहा है? कहीं ना कहीं डेवलपमेंट भी तो इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है कि नहीं है? डेवलपमेंट भी चाहिए, हमें नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज भी चाहिए। वी कैन नॉट हैव डेवलपमेंट विदाउट द यूसेज ऑफ दीज नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। व्हाट टू डू देन? देयर इज अ नीड टू स्ट्राइक द बैलेंस, एंड दैट बैलेंस इज कॉल्ड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, सतत विकास जिसको बोलते हैं। ये जो विज्ञान है ना साथियों, सचमुच हमें वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण होना चाहिए। है विज्ञान, ये तकनीक विज्ञान जो है इंसान के हाथ में, तकनीक विज्ञान, एआई वगैरह सारी है इंसान के हाथ में, तकनीक विज्ञान एक चाकू के समान। हम चाहें तो प्रयोग करें चाकू का जान बचाने के लिए एक डॉक्टर की तरह, हम चाहें तो दुरुपयोग करें चाकू का जान लेने के लिए एक डाकू की तरह। है विज्ञान इंसान के हाथ में एक चाकू की तरह। अफसोस इंसान इस चाकू से डॉक्टर कम डाकू अधिक बन रहा, लूट रहा सृष्टि की अनमोल धरोहर धरती को, लहूलुहान कर रहा जीवन दायिनी माँ प्रकृति को, लहूलुहान कर रहा जीवन दायिनी माँ प्रकृति को। है समय की अब एक ही मांग, है समय की अब एक ही मांग, विज्ञान के उपयोग की कला सीखे इंसान।
तो हमारा डेक्लेरेशन कॉन्टेस्ट का जो थर्ड प्राइज जाता है वो जाता है तराना ठाकुर। तो सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू सृष्टि चौहान और फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू, आप कुछ लगा सकते हैं? यस दिव्यानी शिक्षा क्रांति।